Hello software testers, welcome to this video. What are the top 3 automation tools now in 2022 and beyond? Make a guess. Don't just look at the slide and answer. This is Bakshu from Merit Pros. So the Hash1 tool is Selenium, and also Selenium 4 is now released. That means Selenium is like a super duper tool in demand now. Then if you have already learned Selenium, what is the next tool to learn or master? So the next tool is Appium, and then the next tool is Rest Assured. Let's find out why. Then one more point to notice here, these skills are going to super boost your resume, and then your demand in the job market is going to increase like never before. Then these 3 tools are going to continue to be the market leaders for the next couple of years as well, like in 2022 or 2023 as well. Like these are like the top 3 market leaders. Let's find out the reasons and why these are like market leaders. So coming to Selenium, Selenium is a very powerful automation testing tool for web applications. We already know about that. It is open source and free. Then Selenium has like 4 main components. They are Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium RC, which was deprecated, then Selenium Grid. Then going further, Selenium WebDriver is the main component that we are going to use for real-time web automation, like automating e-commerce website or automating trading website or health website, whatever. For web automation, Selenium WebDriver is the main component that needs to be used. Selenium WebDriver supports multiple programming languages like Java, C#, Ruby, Python. Then it supports all the major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, then all the major operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So it supports like all the major programming languages, browsers, operating systems, so that you can test your web application. Then going further, we already know that Selenium is like a market leader, the Hash1 tool in the web automation industry. With Selenium 4 features, and it is now already released, it is going to further strengthen its position. Selenium 4 WebDriver is W3C standardized. That means it has a lot of power for automation. So with all this, Selenium is like number 1 automation tool to learn and master. That's why it is Hash1 in our list. I'm also 100% sure that you agree with this. You cannot dispute this. Then going further, the number 2 tool is Appium. Like Selenium for web applications, Appium is for mobile apps. Appium is an open source test automation framework for mobile apps. Then we have like 3 types of main mobile apps, like native apps, hybrid apps, and mobile web apps. Appium can automate all these 3 mobile apps. Then it supports iOS apps, Android apps, and Windows apps. That means Appium is a cross-platform. In the backend, Appium is going to use Selenium WebDriver, the Selenium WebDriver protocol, the JSON wire protocol, whatever. In the backend, Appium uses Selenium WebDriver. Then whatever mobile automation part, like automating mobile apps or interacting with mobile devices, that part is like purely Appium. Apart from that, writing the test scripts or contacting Appium server, it is like purely based on Selenium WebDriver. Then going further, there are different client libraries for Appium in Java, Ruby, Python, PHP, JavaScript, and C#. So with all this, we can choose any language for Appium. So with all these facts, and there is a huge job market for mobile testing. There are a lot of mobile apps, and there is huge demand for mobile apps. So with that, there is huge demand for testing as well. So with all this, Appium is like Hash2 in the list. Then going further, we have like Rest Assured. So this is the market leader for API testing. Rest Assured has emerged as a popular automation tool for API testing. Rest Assured is a Java DSL for REST API services testing. So for REST APIs, we can use a Rest Assured. Then it has like Java DSL, that is like domain specific language. It supports a number of API requests. They are like post, get, put, delete, options, patch, head. So these all are like different API requests. So with Rest Assured, we can send this API request, then we can get the response and we can validate them. Rest Assured is also free and open source, and then market leader for API testing. We can also use it with different programming languages like Java, C#, Python, and Ruby. So one thing common in all these three automation tools is like they are open source, then they can be used with different programming languages like Java, C Sharp, Python, then they support like all the major platforms. So they are like open source, then supports multiple programming languages, and then cross platforms. So with these qualities they are like market leaders. Then going further, API testing has huge potential and it may dominate web testing and mobile testing because we have like API layer that is a base. So we can have like one API layer. The same API layer is used for a web application and the same API layer is used for mobile application. So API layer is the base. Then on the top we have like a desktop application, mobile application, web application, like that. So API testing has the huge potential. Then the benefits of API testing are like we can do early testing, then it is GUI independent, then we have like XML or JSON based stable data formats for verification. With this, verification is very easy. Then the biggest benefit, super fast test execution. So with API there is no GUI, that means test execution is like really very fast. We can save a lot of time. So with all this, REST Assured is like number 3 in the list. So I strongly recommend you to learn these three tools. If you have already learned Selenium, then start with Appium, then start with REST Assured. They are really great tool and they are going to add a lot of value to your resume. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment on the video. Then if you have any questions related to like what are top automation tools or comparing the automation tools or priority order, mention in the comment section. We are going to help you. Thank you for watching this one. See you in the next video.